Imagine you're shopping for a new car, and there are two options. One lets you drive it whenever you want without any additional fees, while the other only allows you to take short drives at specific times each day. Sound confusing? Let's demystify ETFs and mutual funds so you can make the right choice. First, let's clarify what these are. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks that trade on an exchange. Mutual funds are also collections of investments, but they're managed by professionals and priced just once a day. Now, the key difference? ETFs operate like buying or selling stocks. You can do it anytime during market hours. Mutual funds, on the other hand, are priced only once a day, based on the closing price of their holdings. Let's debunk a common myth. ETFs aren't always cheaper than mutual funds. While it's true that many ETFs have lower expense ratios, some mutual funds can also offer competitive pricing. It really depends on the specific fund. So why does this matter? Let's say you invest $10,000 in a fund that has an expense ratio of 1% versus another at 0.5%. Over 10 years, the lower-cost option could save you hundreds or even thousands. Think of ETFs as do-it-yourself vehicles and mutual funds as a chauffeur service. You might prefer driving yourself for flexibility and potentially lower costs, but if you value professional management and guidance, the mutual fund might be your choice. Remember, picking between ETFs and mutual funds isn't just about comparing apples to oranges. Both have their merits and drawbacks depending on what you're looking for in an investment. This video is educational content only, not personalized financial advice. Your choice should align with your long-term goals and risk tolerance. Consult a professional if unsure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful and want more insights into personal finance, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And don't forget to like and share if you learned something new.